there, wig lover. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Delilah wig from Margu in the color 2400H. I want to tell you a little story about this wig real quick before putting it on. I have an aunt who's really close to my mom who has terminal breast cancer, and so I told her, you know, hey, let me know what you're looking at, what you're interested in. I'll just send it to you, you know, your family. And so this color and this wig was something that she was very, very pumped about. And I was like, okay. And then I got curious and I wanted to get one to review just to kind of check it out because I know I really like this color. So this is Delilah. And the way my aunt wears her is on her Harley, just for badass cred, because she's amazing, okay? But yeah, she totally wears this one because she's basically got a wig on her bike helmet that's this color. And it's, I mean, I didn't sell that to her. She just, I don't know where she got it, but it's like the helmet came with hair attached to it. And so when she goes into wherever she's going, she tucks this away and then puts it on when she takes her helmet off. And she loves it because she never has to worry about her hair being flat. No more helmet head. So that's kind of awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on and we can discover what Delilah is like together. Now she does not have a lace front, so you gotta bear with me while I try to get her into place. Whew, this is a lot of hair. But my aunt has a huge personality. I mean, I think even now she could probably still drink me under the table. And yes, we're Irish, so this is what her hair color was like. But play around with this just a little bit more. Sometimes with these permateased wigs, you gotta play with them a little bit to get them to behave. Oh, this one looks so cute with the bang trimmed. How cute would that look with the bang trimmed? This is pretty luxe, actually. Look at all the hair. Oh my goodness, that's a ton of hair. Okay, let me show you what Delilah looks like on all sides now that I've kind of played around with her a little bit. Make sure I can get it all in there. She's super long. The texture is gorgeous on this wig. Okay, so this wig is huge. It's got a lot of volume, a lot of bouncy body. It's got a lot going on. But still, I could kind of see why she liked it, you know? It's definitely the right kind of wig for somebody with a huge personality. Because it's basically like a lion mane. A really pretty princessy lion mane. And with this one, the more you wear it, the more you style it. If you trim the bang up a little bit to make it more your own, I think that will also make this one look a lot cuter. But I already think she looks pretty cute. You know, it's just, you gotta have the right kind of personality to carry this one off. You know, can't be shy and timid with hair this big. This is almost an 8-ounce wig. That should give you a really good indication of how thick this is. This has one of the thickest ponytails. It's that thick. It's got a ton of hair. Just a ton. And it's very beautiful. Like, I feel like Maureen O'Hara in like some kind of Wild Wild West movie. So the front, the bang, is 5.5 inches, but it is curled a bit, so that way it doesn't go directly in your eyes. The crown down is really layered, so it's anywhere from 5.5 to 16 inches, depending on where you're measuring, so it could be quite long. These sides get as long as 18 inches because it's very, very layered. That's why these curls have so much volume to them. So the nape measurement is 18 inches. So that's why this one is so long. Even though she's heavily curled, she's still safely a boob hugger. This is an epic wig. And this one would look really beautiful, you know, in very, could you imagine this one kind of braided? You know, like a loose sort of braid where the texture shows? That'd be super cute. You know, you could do a lot with this much hair. So I actually really like this, and I love this color. I actually reviewed Kendall in this color as well, and it's just a really nice kind of natural looking intense ginger, which is why my aunt gravitated towards it. She was a ginger in real life. And all the wigs she picked, by the way, they were all Henry Margu wigs. So, you know, I tried to get her to try different things, and she just wasn't having it. She was really obsessed with how curly these wigs are, and she's the kind of person that just likes a lot of hair. She's got a big personality, and sometimes you just need your hair to reflect it, you know? So, all in all, I think this one's super cute. Let me go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. I like this one more the more I play with it, actually. So, this one has a standard top. There's no felt in the front. She's got a ton of hair. Look at all those tracks there. So open on the sides, open in the back. There is an extended nape. It's not felt, but it has a band of felt for the Velcro adjusters. And then we have closed lace on the ear tabs. There's an epic amount of permatease in this wig, as you could probably tell. And I think that's probably a good thing in this particular application because there's so much hair that the wig's kind of heavy, and it would get really flat really quickly if this were actually a monofilament wig. It wouldn't look really that great if it didn't have a little bit of body on top to sort of counteract that. Here is this wig from the bottom to the top. And I've done very little to it, haven't run a comb through it, barely even played with it. This is a very wearable curl pattern right out of the box. It's very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on now. Whew. And there you have it. This has been the very deluxe and very leonine Delilah wig from Henry Margu in the color 2400H. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews, and I hope that you have a really great afternoon. Bye-bye.